Master Shifu, are you sure this is the right training?
Hello, my dear Mr. President.
The only thing sweeter than Nutella is Margot Robbie.
You want to know how I got these scars? From eating too many Lays.
Checking, waiting on this drop like a storm in the sky. Now the new model's here and it's taking me high. I'm talking power in the lines, every word is a flame. Feeling turbocharged, can't hold back the game.
So far the video guys you have seen, this is generated by AI model. Okay, this is not original one. I'm going to show you one amazing model in this particular video called WAN 2.5, and this model is from Higgsfield.ai. okay, if you search for Higgsfield.ai, you will see that this organization are actually building different model for this video generation, image generation. So recently they have published their updated model called WAN 2.5, and this is mind-blowing. Okay, so I was actually testing with this particular platform, and I generated some of the videos, even you already saw, okay, from the video demo. Today I'm going to explain about this particular platform. Like if you want to generate AI video, okay, I think you already have some tool like Google VO3, you have Midjourney, right? Even you can also see the comparison between the model. Okay, so I tested and I got to know like this WAN 2.5 is like more interesting, and the audio quality it is generating is super amazing. Okay, even you can also add the VFX here. This is amazing, right? So you can see guys, they have also given some visual effect, so you can download this effect, you can integrate with your video. Okay, anything you can perform here. Even one interesting thing, like every day we'll be able to generate some free videos. I think 5 to 10 videos you can create, and if you want to, let's say, take their unlimited subscription plan, like unlimited subscription plan means you can generate actually unlimited videos. Okay, unlimited videos with this particular subscription plan. It has also like faster model support, and it supports this WAN 2.5 model. Okay, you can use that. So let me show you some of the demo, guys, how we can generate like this kinds of video. Okay, interesting video from our image. So I'm going to upload a single image, and it will try to generate the video for me. Okay, I'm going to show you like how it can be done. Apart from that, guys, you can see they have different features here. Okay, if I click here, let's say they have image feature, video feature, they also have edit feature, so you can also edit your video, edit your image. Okay, anything you can do here. Then they are also having some apps and the community, so you can go to, you can join their community, you can see like different things people are creating. Okay, you can also get the idea. Apart from that, they also have the Discord group, guys. If you are interested, you can join the Discord group. Okay, so let me show you guys some interesting actually video generation from your single image only. Okay, let me show you how it can be done. So to use this, guys, first of all you have to sign up with the account in the Higgsfield.ai website. So here you can create an account with your Google, or you can create the custom account with your email address. So let's create one account. After creating the account, guys, you can see this is the interface. So here what you can do, you can actually generate different videos from any kinds of images. Okay, I'll show you one example, okay, how it can be done. Even they have also given some templates. Okay, you can see you can also use them. You can do it in a two-way. You can either upload your image, either you can also upload a effect. Okay, that means you can give any kinds of VFX, you can also do that, right? So first of all, let me show you. Let's say I will upload an image here. So after that, I'll just write a prompt. Okay, so let's say this particular prompt I'm going to write here, and you can also enhance the prompt. Okay, let's say if you click on enhance, so it will give you a detailed prompt based on the like suggestion. Then after that, you can, let's say, change the duration. Let's say I'll give 10 seconds, and you can also make the resolution like 720p. Then you can also click on the generate button. Okay, then this is the final video, guys. You can see, okay, it's ready. So see, it's like a very realistic one. Okay, so this is happening with the help of this WAN 2.5, and this model is like very actually fast model, and even it is better than like other model too. Like in the market you have VO3, you have Midjourney, right? So if you compare the output, actually we'll see that this model is performing really well. Okay, So this model would be helpful for the content creator. So those who are creating the content, those are creating the reels. So I think this tool you can use, and you can create different content. You can generate different videos, and you can upload it on your social media, right? Yeah. So guys, I think you have seen the demo of this 1.5 model. And one more thing, guys, here you will be liking this product because it can generate actually 10 seconds video. But if you see any other model like VO3 or Mid Journey, so they usually generates less than 10 minutes. Okay, it's 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds video clips. And you have seen the audio quality also. It's super amazing. Even I was also trying with some of my images. Okay, you can see the smile and the let me show you the video.
Hi
So
everyone, I've just started a free
so it's like super interesting, right? So here I was trying with this prompt. So basically I started a new end-to-end machine learning project implementation series on my channel, actually Bangla channel called Inception BD. So that's why I wanted to make an announcement video. So what I did, I just put my image and I asked this particular prompt, and this particular 1.5 model is able to generate that. So instead of this model, you can also access any other model. Okay, you can see it is having different model. Even though it's also, you can change the resolution, okay, if you want. And yeah, so many things actually you can explore here. And you can also use this particular tool, guys, called draw to video. So basically what you can do, you can click upload a media here, or you can create a blank. So here you can draw any kinds of, let's say, objects, and you can convert it to the video. Okay, so this is another interesting things. And if you want to use this kinds of advanced features, guys, so for this what you have to do, you have to subscribe their premium subscription. So if I go to the pricing section, so they're having different subscription like basic, pro, then ultimate, okay, then creator. So these are the actually subscription plan actually they have. So based on your requirement, guys, you can read it here. You can do the subscribe here, okay, and just try to test that because they will be giving you the free credits. So I think you can use those free credits and generate some of the sample, and you can actually decide, okay, which model is better. You can also try with VO3. I think you have already tried with VO3, right? VO3 Mid Journey, but you can see this one, okay. So all the resources, all the documentation link, guys, I'm going to share in my description. From there you can check it out, and let me know, guys, how is this product, okay, whether it is useful or not, and you are able to create or generate videos with audios or not. So let me know, okay, in the chat. So yes, guys, this is all about, guys, I wanted to discuss and I wanted to show you. I hope you liked it. So yes, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.